Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PTN. We'll take a look at the daily time frame. I've done this analysis quite a few times before, although I think it's been a couple months since the last update. But regardless, had some questions on it today and want to get things updated as the chart from a technical perspective, that is, from a technical, if you will, quote unquote story, is at a very important spot. And that spot is in regards to this purple line here, which is the famous 50-day simple moving average. I say famous because even if you have just a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 50-day moving average, and you know that when the price is above it, assuming you're bullish, of course, you want to see the price stay above it. Or in trader lingo, you want to see it act as support. And from that perspective, so far, so good. You can see that today the price got basically right at that purple line, and then the price got a little bounce from it. And again, from the overall quote-unquote story of things, you certainly want to see that continue to hold, because when you stop and think about it, and just to make this a little bit easier to symbolize, right here around the purple line, if that were to be kind of the new low, actually, let's give a little grace period. So let's move it down to right around here at 36 cents. So even if the price were to, slightly break below it, but then start to bounce around 36 and then head back up, from the big picture of things, what you have, well, you'd still have a set of lows right here. Previous set would be down there, and if you picture each one of those as stair steps would still be progressing in the upwards direction. Now, I fully am aware that this depends on your strategy, meaning if you're a day trader and you bought right there, or you bought right there and you wanted to sell within 11.2 seconds, then none of this pertains to you, and the chart looks very terrible for you. But for those people that care about the big picture of things, which is, the perspective I'm doing this video from, the bulls do still have a chance to build that higher base and therefore build those higher stair steps going forward. And again, that's why 36 cents is very important here going forward. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty much already touched base on that in regards to, I guess I made a mention about up around here, but key level of resistance is the big brother of the 50-day simple moving average, the 200-day simple moving average, which you saw has already knocked down the price a couple times there. So that'll be, the overall level of resistance. But if I'm being honest, at least in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance, not really a huge priority for the chart right now. Top priority is going through a healthy consolidation and building that higher base overall. And again, that base, quote unquote, being at 36 cents in order to establish that stair step. So we'll see how things close out the week tomorrow and see how the next couple of weeks all unfold. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.